Hello travelers, Kristi here with Motorhomes of Texas. And today we're going to show you this beautiful 2015 Tiffin Phaeton that we have on the lot. This coach is 42 feet long with 4 slides and priced at $169,500. This coach is ready to get on the road and start making your RV dreams come true. When you walk into this coach, I think you're going to be startled by the expansiveness of it. There's a lot of room here. I have really enjoyed, as you can tell, checking out this nice theater seating that we see here on the driver's side. The leather feels good, it's good quality, and it has some of those nice features that you may find in residential furniture at your house or in a furniture store. Tiffin outfitted when they created this with a lot of extra storage, and they packed that storage, which does increase your floor print and ability to bring those items that you treasure and want out on the road with you. And you're going to see that as we move from the front to the rear of the coach. When I walk across, I love how Tiffin has really paid attention, and it's one of the things that I believe Tiffin is known for is the quality of construction. This is solid wood cabinetry, all the joints and fittings, nice and tight, and I love this little attention to detail, not only in these handles, but when you check out the crown molding, and even in the valances in this, it's just a lot of nice classic detail. The recliner is here, and again, the space in this coach is really going to offer a couple who's ready to start their full-time RV adventures. You're not going to be breaking the bank on this coach, but you will get a lot of quality and sustainability. As we travel back in, you're going to see this nice ceramic tile flooring that extends from the front to the rear of the coach. And here in the galley area, we are outfitted with an expanse here to increase your cooking and storage. I love the depth. When I was checking out all of the cabinets, I'm really drawn to that attention to detail, the quality of the construction and the depth. To me, it's important when you've got those pots and pans that you have something deep to put them in. And I really like this. We have our induction cooktop, nice, beautiful backsplash, and again, this really nice sink area. Accompanying the galley area is a dinette seating area for 2. So it does allow you to put this in. You can have more space if you're choosing to entertain, but still meet the needs, maybe if you need a home office or again, enjoying those nice quiet dinners. We have residential appliances throughout this coach, which really do make it nice. With this coach being 42 feet long, it does feature your midship bathroom right here. And you are able to access this lavatory when you are in travel mode. So it does make it very nice. You don't think you have to crawl over beds to get to the rear of the coach. So we have our 4 slides again, 2 in the front, 2 here in the rear. The beautiful detailing in the headboard. It really lends itself to a nice, classic, comfortable feel to this coach. I'm really impressed by everything that this coach offers. This master bathroom is expansive. It's walk-in closet, built-ins, a nice corner shower, and then your nice corner sink with all the bells and whistles, and also is outfitted back there your stackable washer and dryer. And those types of models I've used myself, and I find they work phenomenal, especially when Craig and I are hitting the road. I think Tiffin did a great job with this coach, and even in a 2015 model, this coach is in immaculate condition. There's a lot of quality, sustainability, and creature comforts of home. So this is the Tiffin Phaeton 2015 at 42 feet long here at Motorhomes of Texas, where we believe that service is not just a passion, it's an obsession.